What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I haven't really found out what I want to do for you guys, but I'm most likely gonna do uh, the custom cosmetics thing and stuff. I won't be doing custom holdables because those really take a long time to do. But I'm gonna show you badge, hat, and face cosmetics because yeah, they are like the easiest thing to do. Oh yeah, this is not a sponsor at all, but it's a really cool website that you can go to and you can learn coding, and it really helps you a lot. It's Cody right here. I'm at operators part 1. This is just basic stuff like introduction, variables part 2, and it's really good. When you do it, it shows you over here how to do everything, and it gives you a challenge and stuff, and then you just do it, like so, and then you run off energy. You can get unlimited energy, and then if you get enough tokens by opening chests and answering questions, you can actually refill your energy. You get 5 per every 4 hours, and it's really good. I've been using it, starting to learn coding. I'm using, there's a bunch you can choose from too, like, so I'm doing C sharp, add journey. There's a bunch in here. You can do something like this for Roblox and a bunch of other stuff. I'm doing C hashtag or C sharp for Unity. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys that because it's really great. You just have to sign up, no payment needed unless you're doing a plan for it that gives unlimited energy. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you how to add custom cosmetics, hat, badge, and face cosmetics. But I'm gonna go to my favorite site to get custom cosmetics, and that is, if I can spell it right. Oh wow, I can't spell today. Okay, Sketchfab, great great thing, great uh browser thing. Yeah, we'll just call it a browser. Great thing to find models if you don't know how to model at all. So I'm thinking we can do for a hat, or yeah, a hat or helmet or anything. We can do, let's do a crown. Some of these might not work, some might work. I think this one's good. Always download it to where, like, when you download it, it's into a file. Then you can just go to your project. Import new asset, downloads. Right here, sources. Boom. There, I got my crown. Can just bring it out, unpack completely. Then we can size it down. It has a couple parts. We don't really need those. You can make it gold. That looks nice. Okay, so just gonna leave it like this so it's easier to move around. So what we're gonna do, just do this, put it down, size it, make it whatever texture you want, and then size it down to make sure it fits the gorilla's head. That kind of looks weird. That looks pretty good. Then you can also go into game and see if it, because you don't want it to be like this, and then it's just like in kind of in your eyes. And then you can just close everything, click over here, and you can see how it looks. See if you like it like that. I'd say it looks pretty nice. We could change the top ones too to something else. So let's do what goes yellow right with gold? What do you guys think goes right with gold? I'm gonna try red. Let's see how red looks. I could do that. Let's try. Let's see what purple looks like. Purple is my favorite color, anyways. So that looks really nice, actually. A fully purple crown looks kind of weird though. Looks pretty good, like so. You can also create your own material, obviously, if you don't want something like this. It looks really nice. So that's my cosmetic right there. So right now we're doing hat, obviously, because it's a crown, hat, crown, whatever, tiara you're doing. If it's a hat, then obviously, yeah. Okay, once you have your cosmetic in place and you look at it and you collect all the textures and all that stuff, and it looks nice and there's no like places where it's weird looking, you're gonna want to click on the gorilla right here. Just bring you this. You want to drop down rig, drop down body. You want to go down and see head. You want to drop that down too, and then you want to take your cosmetic, actually name it something like crown, like so. Now I'm gonna go up here, put it in. I like to put it into old cosmetics, cause I know they're not gonna get like removed or anything. So boom, we got that. We can just copy that for later, and then we just turn it off like so. Okay, now what we gotta do is go to local gorilla player, drop down VR rig if it isn't already. See this cosmetics. You want to go to your where your thing is right here. You want to just drag that into the name. Boom, it adds onto it like so. Then we can just drop that back. And that's all you have to do with this. But then the next thing you want to do is you want to go to cosmetics controller right here. Then you want to press the plus. This will show up. It will probably be this or something different, because these are all of my other stuff. You just want to change everything to crown or whatever your cosmetic is named. If you want it to be buyable, make it buyable. I'm gonna make it 1,000. Can try on if obviously, and then holdable, or it will probably be at none. Change that to a hat. Item picture, I like to just make it blank. You can make your own by taking a picture of it and turning it into a sprite. I could probably show you that quickly, real quick. So what we want to do is, oh wait. So we can just paste that, take that, right here. What we can do is we can just take this, copy that, boom, cube, do cube, make it white or whatever color you want. I like doing white because it just looks good. Okay, now size it up so it's bigger than the crown. So make it so the crown or whatever cosmetic is on top. Boom, like so. Can just size that up a little bit more. Like so. And then we're gonna do this. I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna do it like this. Just take a picture of it. Boom, like so. Now go here, boom, import new asset, pictures, screenshots. Go in there, right here, it's there. You want to change texture type to sprite, and then you can just delete this. Oh wait, yeah, just delete it. Boom, and then go back to cosmetics controller, like so. Go back to your crown. Take this, drag it onto item picture, and boom. Now when someone buys it, they'll have this as the buy thing, like so, unless it's replaced. Okay, now we got that set up. We have everything set up in here besides the wardrobe and the actual buying part. So now what you want to do is you want to search up Gorilla Player. It'll be this one. It'll probably be Gorilla Player Networked or Gorilla Player Actual. You want to just turn it on if it's not already. Since you already have your thing copied, you want to go drop down this, drop down rig, drop down body, and go to head, and then just right click on that, paste as child, like so. Oh, it's a little big. Oh wait, hold on, I just forgot we copied the cube, and yeah, whatever. So search up crown right here, boom, copy, take it, go back to Gorilla Player, and now we go to here, paste as child, and then when we turn it on, it will, if you have a gold monkey one, it will look like this, but it will look like the one in game over there. It won't look like that. It will look better quality. Since now we have that, we can go to Gorilla Player Networked, drop down VR rig, do the same thing, find the cosmetics right here, take the crown and put it in there, boom, and now in here it's right there, like so. And now we are done with the Gorilla Player Networked. Okay, so now we have the cosmetic actually working. So if you put it on in game, then it will be working. But we have to get the wardrobe working and the buying working. But you can just skip. You can skip ahead when we are to where we are doing the wardrobe, because we're gonna do, if you're making it not buyable, just skip ahead to where we're doing the wardrobe. If not, stick around so we can do the buying part. So what you can do is in here, if you don't have these unmeshed, you want to get yourself a unmeshed combiner like this from Beetle's Discord server help, and you want to go tools, unmesh combiner, click it, and it'll unmesh combine everything. And then what you want to do is go in here, go here, take this, copy it, boom, just move it, just make it to where you like it. It doesn't really matter. Maybe move it up a little bit, boom. Now name this crown, like so. Name this crown, like so. Then take your crown. Oh, hold on. Oh yeah, cause it's a command thing. Okay, so doesn't matter. We can just delete that. So what you want to do is you want to go here, paste this child. Oops. Okay, go in here, search crown. Go to the top, the one that's turned off. Copy. Go here, paste this child. Turn it on. It might be small like this. Just want to size it up. I do not know why it is black though. It won't look like that. Boom. Boom. Like so. Like so. Okay, now we have our crown. I'll go here. Change this to crown. Copy that. Can try on 1000 if you made the Bible. Override. Override. Our sprite right here. Boom. Item category hat. Item name crown. We'll get to the playfab in a second. Okay, so boom. Now your cosmetic is actually buyable once we set up in playfab. But boom, so we have that. I'm just gonna turn that off. Okay, so this material right here, we can just select it. We can take it, copy it, and make it like darker. It looks okay for now, I guess. But yeah, I don't know. It doesn't really matter for me. It's all purple anyways. Okay, so now we got our cosmetic and everything. We can go here, create a new one, playfab, sign for free. And then if you watch my first video, you should already have your playfab all set up and everything. If you don't, go watch my first video. And if you already know how to set up your playfab and everything, great, go set it up and for your game and all that stuff. If it would take long, if it would load. I hate how many I have. It takes forever to load now. Boom. Scroll down to your game or wherever it is. I'll just use a random one, I guess. I'll just use this one, I guess. Okay, go economy, catalogs, DLC, new item, crown, crown, SR for shine rocks, 1000. Boom. Item ID crown, display name crown, currency. Make this one SR. Amount, how much you want it to be. Save. Boom. Go back to your game. Go into play mode. Boom. Go into your city or wherever your cosmetic is. Go to your cosmetic. Click it like so. Boom. Now, when we go in here, hold on. Let me just fix this real quick. Go here. Boom. Now see how it's like that. Boom. I like to have it white because it matches everything else. Test press. Yeah, it won't really work yet because. Oh wait, I forgot one more thing. Just give me a second. you go to Gorilla Game Manager, go in here. Scroll basically already all the way to the bottom until you see this line right here. You want to just scroll over all the way over here, right here. You want to do comma, space, crown, and then period. Okay, yeah, boom, save. And then we want to go back to playfab, search up crown, right here. Just gonna want to add a dot to the end of it. Just wait for it to load. Boom. Okay, go back to cosmetics, controller. Scroll down. This one. Boom. Like so. Now this. Crown, 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 crown. Boom. Like so. And then switch up crown. Go to the top, the one that's turned off. Crown dot, boom. Actually, it doesn't really matter, but you can do it if you want. But the dot in the thing is necessary. Boom. Go out of that. Okay, now we're on to the wardrobe. Yep. Okay, so again, crown. Crown dot copy. Now you can just close all this, it doesn't even matter. Click on one cosmetic. You want to turn everything off. Like so, boom, so it's just a head. Go to hat, turn that on. Turn everything on, I meant off, besides whatever category you want to put it in. I'm putting in permanent, so I'm leaving permanent. But turn everything off in here too. And then paste this child. Like so. And then you want to just make it so it's leveled. Put it forward a little. Then what you want to do is make it look good, obviously. Boom. Like so. Then you want to copy that. Then we can just close that. Turn everything else on. Boom. 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 There. Now we got that. You can just now you want to just do this with everything else. You just paste it. Now, once you have everything in like this, you want to click on head model top. Doesn't matter which one. Then you want to drag the crown to cosmetics. Then you want to do that with every single one. But you don't want to do the head model right crown on the center or left crown, because that probably will mess it up. Boom. Like so. We got that done. But we're not done yet. Unless you just want to keep that. Okay, so since we got that, you want to do every single wardrobe. So you want to do this wardrobe, mountains wardrobe, and you want to do clouds map wardrobe in here if you have the wardrobe in there. Most updates in the later version like this do. Yeah, but for this video I'm just gonna only leave it as there. But since we got that done, buying done, networking done, I'd say we're pretty much done now. So let's try go back in play mode and let's go see if I can buy it. Oh yeah, one more thing you can do is if you this is so stupid. Okay. Hold on. Just click it. Oh, I think I know why. Hold on. Okay. So what we want to do, click on this. Yeah, we need to add it to this. So what we want to do, close everything here. Paste as child. Head model, non-static. Just want to put the crown in there. Boom. Let's try it again. Hopefully it works this time. Haha. I don't know why it's not working. Why this thing keeps doing that. Oh wow. That's okay. That is weird. It's supposed to work because I've done it with other cosmetics. Hold on. We're gonna go in here and we're gonna do something. One. But I do promise this will work for you. I just think this project doesn't like having this hat in this game. I think I know. Oh, there we go. Boom. I guess I just had to press the button. Okay, now we go over here. It should be in here. Okay. Wait, wrong way. Oh wait, no, it won't be in there. It'd be in this one over here. Oh wait, no, I have to load into it. Of course. Right there, it's right there. But don't worry about that. Okay. So minor problem on my part. It's fine for you guys, but it should be working for you guys. But just one problem is I have it set up in this wardrobe that all the crowns are named just crown, like so. So we're just gonna change that. Yeah. Okay. Unless I mess something. Oh wait, I know. I think I know why. In the Gorilla Player Network, its name is not Crown Dot. It's just Crown. So I should probably change that. But yeah, so you see I don't have it. It's alright. Just give me a second. Like so. Yeah, right here. Crown Dot. Hopefully this works. If it doesn't, that's unbelievable. If it doesn't work, I might have done something wrong. Unless it might be this. Because this thing keeps doing this. Oops. Okay. Something's going on. Because none of my cosmetics are showing up. Okay. That might be weird though. Okay, so it will be working for you, but I guess my thing's just kind of broken right now at the moment. Because this is none of my hat cosmetics are showing up, which is weird as hell. Yeah, like it shows up, but it doesn't show up at the same time. I don't really know what's going on. But I guess it will be working for you. Well, hopefully. Well, it should, quote unquote, should be working for you. But I guess cause my wardrobe's just kind of broken at the moment. But yeah, okay. So that's all you need to know about how to make custom cosmetics and stuff. Like, I can show you a few I have right now. I added Illustrator, like so. Yeah, my other cosmetics aren't even working. That's unbelievable. I have a feeling I know what it is. I have a feeling I know what it is. Watch this. Get ready. Go to Game Manager. Scroll down. Here. Go to the end. Just gonna delete this one. Save. Play mode. I don't understand why it's doing this, bro. Hmm. Whew. Ah. Hmm. Hmm. I'm pretty sure that's just my thing. Index was out of range. Well, okay, guys. That's just something with my project. You guys won't have to worry about that. But yeah. Well, that's how to make custom hat. I I know I was gonna say I was gonna show you face and badge, but I don't want this video to be like an hour long doing that. More like 30 minutes long, but yeah. So I'm just see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna hopefully figure out this problem with my project, and yeah. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.